dough, then one dropper or two would make it fantastic. You can see some water out there, it really is not fit to drink. So here's where we went into the alkalinity side. Watch it climb. Okay, we finally got it up into a pH of above 8, and that water was down in the 4 range, so very acid, like battery acid, and we got it now climbing up in the pH, and it's actually restructuring the water to where it actually is becoming fit to drink for a change. Let's check the ORP while this is stabilized. It's continuing to go up, 8.30. Okay, let's check and see. Look at this. We have a minus 83, 84, 85, 86. So we have an ORP of minus 88 so far, and you can see it just continues to climb, 89, 90. So we've taken this extremely acid water and we've turned it into alkaline water, and we had it at a plus. And now we have it at a minus with the ORP. So it has extra electrons, and it's turning into decent fit to drink water when we have a minus 99 so far. 100, minus 100. And we have a pH of 8.68, 69. So it's continuing to stabilize and fix this water. 8.72. 8.73. See, it's working on it, 8.74. Okay, we have a minus 105, 106. So it continues to work and fix this water. Correct, 107, minus 107. So it'll give you an idea of some of the things that this water treatment can do. It doesn't take very much for decent water. You had another test tube or another beaker. Okay. You just dump this and rinse it. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to check the water here on the ranch. And I'll just, for demonstration purposes, I just want to show you how some of this stuff works. Okay. All right. So again, we'll check it, and we're at a pH of 8.0, and that'll continue to 8. It's getting ready to go to an 8.1, but it'll gradually stabilize and settle down. So we'll check the H minus, and we have an OH minus of 65. But that grows in about 15 minutes, it goes over 100. But I want to show you, see, it's 106. So I want to show you what happens, though, when you actually take some water that's decent water. Well, actually, this is very, very good water. But just a little bit changes it all. Oops. Now watch what happens. Look at this. Just takes off in the OH minus. One dropper with decent water. See, if you just start out with just reasonably decent water, you end up with just really, really good drinking water with just a tiny little bit. Look at this, we have a minus 127 still growing, 129, minus 130 with a half a dropper, a tiny little pipette here, minus 133. Let's check the pH, 9.30. 9.32. See how fantastic, 9.33. pH, that is so nice and alkaline. It's wonderful. We have a minus 137 in the ORP, OH minus. Fantastic. Let's not carry this all night. Okay, now what we want to do now, we'll rinse in our beaker. Okay, now what we want to do now is, take me a little drink of this. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the ORP and the pH of some very popular colloidal minerals here. 75 colloidal minerals, it says. So let's see what we get. All right, 75 colloidal minerals. Let's see if it's any good. Okay, we have a pH of 3.41, 3.40. That is so acid. 3.39. So let's check the ORP. Well, we have a plus 186. Plus 186. Outrageous. pH 3.39. Okay? Okay, we're going to rinse. All right, here's a joint care liquid also. Now, if you want to do something for your joints, don't take acid. All right, let's see what we have here. All right. Okay. We have a pH of 3.19, 3.17, 3.16. Stabilized, reasonable. Now we have a plus on the ORP of 198. Outrageous. Outrageous. Okay, let's rinse. Now let's check the Thrive. We'll shake it well too. The Thrive, or the greens, the Miracle greens, same product. Let's check this. We have a pH of 9.7, 9.8, 9.9. We have a pH of 10, 10.1, 10.2. Let's check the ORP. We have an ORP of OH minus, minus 175. Minus 175. Very alkaline, loaded with extra electrons. Fantastic antioxidants. Minus 186, minus 176. pH of 10.07. There it is. Fantastic.